Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Now in this video we'll discuss about our sales quotation. Now usually when different organization work, so they simply do not start purchasing. They will send quotation to other companies that we need these kind of items in this much, what is your quotation, or what would be the finance or how much discount, like everything, all this information. Initially, like no one purchases directly, simply the organizations and quotation. So now we'll create a sales quotation. Now let's see how we can do these things into our D365, like the sales quotation. So for that, I will simply go to my sales and marketing, and I will go to my sales quotation. So it's kind of a formal agreement, like before purchasing anything. So I will go to my sales quotation form, then I will show you how this complete process works. Okay, now this is my sales quotation form. So what I will do, I will create a new sales quotation. Now here, what I will do, I will change my account type to customer, and I will select any customer. Let me say I'm interested in this customer. Okay, I will click here, Forest Wholesale, and I will click OK. Now here what I'm doing, I'm simply putting an entry for my customer, and let's say my customer is interested in this particular product. Okay, I will click OK here, and here I will specify a price to my customer. So let me go to inventory here. Okay, so let us assume the price of this particular product, like M0005, you are going to provide to your customer, let's say in 10 USD. Okay, now what you will do, you will simply send quotation. Okay, you'll click on send quotation, and once you click on the send quotation, then that journal will be available. So let me click OK here first. Okay, now you see our quote has been sent. So what we'll do, generally we'll print this particular journal and we'll send this journal to our customer. Okay, here you can do original preview or copy preview. Okay, now your customer will see your product, it will see all this information. Okay, like the site warehouse, how much quantity, what is the unit price. Okay, and assume your customer is satisfied with all this information. Okay, once your customer is satisfied with this all information, then you can go ahead. So what you can do, let me go to my sales quotation form again. I will go to sales and marketing, and let me go to all quotation. Okay, this is the quotation that I just created. So what I will do, let me open this quotation first. Okay, so it is printing, it is taking some time, so I don't want to. Yeah, so I'll click on follow up. So if my customer agrees, okay, he likes our price, he simply will review all the information and he totally agrees with us. So then what we can do, we can click on confirm. Now once we click on this confirm button, here we need to specify a reason. Okay, so our customer says that your price is good or your reputation is good. So let me say he like our price, and I will click OK. Then our quote is getting confirmed. Now what it will do, it will generate a sales order for us because our customer have agreed. So let me open Notepad to understand it better. Okay, so you see here the quotation updated and the status has been changed to confirm. Now if we'll go to your journal, and inside your related information you have the sales order. Now sales order will be created with exact quantity and the price. The price was 20. Sorry, the price was 10. So all this information will be visible here. Let me go back. Okay, so let us understand what all we did. So the first thing is that we were talking about our sales quotation. So it is nothing, it is kind of a initial, you can say initial check. Okay, our customer was Forest Wholesale. Okay, they are certain goods from us. In our case it was M0005. Okay, so then they simply said that we need to buy a certain quantity of this particular product. What would be your price? Okay, then what we did, we created a sales quotation into our system. Okay, then we entered our price, quantity, and everything, all this information. Then what we'll do, we'll send this document to our customer, that is again the Forest Wholesale. Now this Forest Wholesale will review our document. If they are satisfied, then we simply confirmed our quote, right? We go to sorry, first of all we confirmed our quote from here. We send the quotation, then we confirmed our quote. When we confirmed our quote, then automatically a sales order will be created for us, because now we'll need to deliver these goods and quantities to our customer. So this was the process of sales quotation. Thanks for watching this video.